Hi, my name is David Barnes. I'm the president and CEO of Viwinco. We make windows and doors here in Morgantown, Pennsylvania. We've been in business since 1982, and we have approximately 370 employees. We manufacture replacement, new construction, and impact-resistant windows. The goal for Viwinco is to be the best window company, easiest to do business with some of the best products that are energy saving and structurally sound when it comes to impact resistance.
Hello, I'm Michael Duncan, General Manager at Viwinco. When a homeowner purchases windows through a Blue Label preferred installer, they can expect a quality product, excellent installation techniques, and strong after-sales support.
Dealing with a preferred installer, you will see a level of professionalism that might not exist with some remodelers in the industry.
One of the features that I like were how you can, the top will drop down, because being short, it makes it harder to clean them. So I could drop that down and make it never have to worry about going outside to clean my window. I could clean it from inside. And I like that part. I also like the part about the UV protection. That was real important, as well as the sound alone in the house. Back here used to be very echoey, and it just feels very comfortable. We don't hear the noises from the road like we used to, so it's definitely, I think overall, just perfect for us.
Being full service benefits the homeowner because they can trust that whoever they're using for a product or service will be able to provide everything that they need for that job. The installation of a window and door is extremely important for the end quality to the homeowner. The product can be designed with great quality, but it needs to be installed with the proper techniques and craftsmanship so that the homeowner can have a quality operating window.
I can make the best product, but if it's not put in properly, it won't perform the way it was designed to. It's as basic as that. We need to have it done right. And we try to build it right, it needs to be installed right.